Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's a Wednesday, September the 21st, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. Well, today we have a regular binary puzzle with 10 by 10 and a lot of problems because my solution was not correct because we have the same columns. The same columns, two of them. Yes. All right, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Before I start, this will be number 5212. Alright, double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then. Well, do I need to compare? Well. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. No. 1 2 3. Well. I think we need to compare. Yeah, we need to compare. The question is which row or which column? Okay. Alright. 010. We have 010 here. 101. Come on. Double one here. No. Double one. Yeah, this column in the first column. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have here 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Need to compare again. 1 2 3, yeah. 1 2 3, yeah. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay. The columns. Double O. We have a double O here. 11. Yeah. This column, the last column, and that column. Okay. 1 1 empty box 1 1 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Finished in 4 minutes. Well, you need to compare twice. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solver by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.